Good morning, Steve Reed with the Morning Grain Comments. Markets are lower. Seems like we have a risk off, risk on, and now a risk off day because of COVID. Moderna's CEO came out and basically said that he's not sure that the vaccines will work against this new variant. The problem is that so far the cases have been with younger people and only mild. So that put the market in kind of a tailspin, both on the equity side, energy side, and also the grain side. We also noted that Fed Chairman Powell released some early comments about the fact that COVID and this new variant could begin to slow economic activity and also slow employment numbers. And there's a risk of higher inflation because of this, and also a risk that wages may have to go up. So again, that could cut into certain companies' revenues. We're looking for some comments yesterday from the president about supply chains, but he abruptly canceled the news conference because of this new variant. So kind of the market's kind of up in the air right now. We saw the export inspections come out yesterday, and again, for corn, beans, and wheat, we're running behind the pace to meet the USDA numbers, which suggests on December 9th they could raise the carryout due to lower exports. We also see the domestic corn basis very strong, and that offered some support underneath the market. But again, funds showed on the CFTC report that they increased very large amounts of new longs, especially on the corn side. And they're long probably more beans than the market had anticipated, and probably the wheat position is vulnerable as the market turns more negative on the charts. Long term, it's all about weather. South American weather for central and northern Brazil is favorable, while it's starting to show a little bit of dryness in southern Brazil and Argentina. We also note that rains will return to the eastern part of Australia, even though yesterday Australia estimated their wheat crop at a record high number, and about 3 million tons more than the USDA's most recent estimate. We also note that Southern Plains U.S. is going to be dry, and again, some forecasters call for Southern Plains to remain dry in the spring of 2022. And the southeast part of the country could also be dry, and these two ridges could actually come together this summer. Rain showers in Europe and parts of the Black Sea, and we'll just kind of see how the market wants to handle all these different views coming out from as far as the COVID is concerned. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day. And remember, always treat people like yourself would like to be treated.